8:30 on a high wind warning Saturday that so far has been pretty quiet. We've had fairly consistent winds blowing between 30 and 40 miles per hour at the Oregon coast. Some winds a little bit higher than that, and pretty consistent breezes here in the valley bouncing between 20 and 30 miles per hour at times, and really not much more than that. The wind maker is this big low that you see spinning out here, but notice here's Portland. The low is already starting to move up to our north, which means the main wind field coming in is going to be increasingly from the west this afternoon. Now, the Coast Range blocks those west winds, so it'd be interesting to see if we're going to get any high winds out of this or not. We may not, but the wind warning from the Weather Service at this hour continues until 8 o'clock this evening. And keep in mind, the forecast modeling that we like to show you, especially on TV, has been showing some 40 mile per hour sustained winds, which means maybe a 50 mile per hour wind gust anywhere from about 3 this afternoon in Portland to about 6 o'clock this evening. So again, as forecasters, we're kind of wait and seeing like you are at home. Maybe this gives us a little spurt of moisture, and maybe it doesn't. The rain hasn't been that much yet either. It's turning out to be more of a rain band day, passing rain bands and dry weather than I thought it would be. I mean, look at some of these. There's kind of a cloudy look at Salishan. That camera's down. But look at the valley. There's Domain Serene Winery, a little bit of sunshine. There's Camas Meadows, a little bit of sunshine, kind of a mix of low clouds at Gresham Subaru this afternoon. So, get outdoors, take advantage of these dry spots. The rain will be picking back up from time to time, and 24-hour rain amounts into Sunday morning could still reach an inch in parts of the valley. So that's your update. Wind chance, in my head, 50-50 later today. Wouldn't be surprised if we get some 40 mile per hour winds and some peak gusts of 50 in spots. Wouldn't be surprised if we don't. And also keep in mind before I shut up that almost always in these little wind events that we have, the majority of the valley doesn't see much. Maybe gets a peak wind gust of 35 miles per hour. While there are spotty locations to get that 50 mile per hour pop and a tree comes down and some power outages are reported. So there's still a chance that that's the way this could play out later today.